Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 2997, that is minimum number of operations to make array XOR equal to k, and in this will be given a 0 index integer array nums and a positive integer k. And what we need to do, we are having a choice of operations which we can perform, that is we can choose any element of the array and flip a bit in its binary representation. Flipping a bit basically means we can change it from 0 to 1, and we have to return the minimum number of operations required to make the bitwise XOR of all elements of the final array equal to k. Okay, so for example, if we are having 2 1 3 4, so we need to make final XOR that should be equal to 1, and for that what we'll be doing, we'll be picking up 2 and then doing the XOR of that, changing choosing element 2, which is basically 3, and what we'll do, we'll flip its one bit, that is 0 1 1. It's currently in binary representation, so what we'll do, we'll flip the first bit from the right, and so that end will become 0 1 0, that is equal to 2. So now our array will become 2 1 2 4. Okay, so we'll have to perform such number of operations, and after that we'll be having our answer. Okay, so for this I'll just quickly write the code that firstly we'll keeping the track of the flip counts, how many bits we are going to flip, and the XOR, total XOR of the array. Okay, XOR that is currently 0, so for int num we'll be firstly finding the overall XOR of this in nums XOR equal to num. Okay, and now what we know, that our int it's in the range of uh, 10 to the power 5, so we'll be having 32 bits at max. So int I equal to 0, I less than 32, that is the bits, and then I plus plus. And what I'll be having, I'll be calculating the mask for this particular, that is, let's have mask that will be equal to, I'll be moving one left shift to the 2 by 8 bits, and then I'll be having the one number of 1 bit counts in the particular number. Let's say initially it's 0, and then what I have to do is that if my XOR and mask, it is not equal to my k and mask. So in this case, what I need to do, I need to do a flip count. I need to increment it by 1, and I can just remove this 1 bit count, and at the end I'll quickly returning flip count. This is just the code which we have to do. Okay, so now let's run it. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this way for it. Thank you for watching.